What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today we are going to guide you on how to sell covered calls on Charles Schwab. To sell covered calls on Charles Schwab, you first need to set up your options trade, specifically a covered call. Here is a step-by-step guide based on the information from Charles Schwab. Identify the position. Choose a stock position in your account that meets specific criteria. You own at least 100 shares of the stock. The stock is currently trading at a higher price than your original purchase price. The stock does not pay significant dividends, or you are not relying on receiving dividends. You are willing to sell the stock at a strike price at any time until the expiration date. Determine the price. Once you have selected your position, decide on the price at which you are comfortable selling the stock. This involves choosing a strike price for the covered call. Execute the trade. After your Schwab account is approved for options trading, follow these steps. Sell one covered call for every 100 shares of the stock you own. If you sell a covered call, you receive a premium that is immediately deposited into your account minus transaction costs. If the stock price rises above the strike price before the option expires, you may be assigned and your shares will be sold at the strike price. Remember, covered calls can be relatively low-risk strategy and are suitable for investors looking to generate income from stocks they own. It's essential to understand the risk involved and ensure that this strategy aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Options trading carries a high level of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.